So, you want to get certified in cybersecurity? I will help you every step of the way. Welcome to the final installment in our series on cloud security. We've covered a lot of ground, and now we turn our attention to the future. The cloud security landscape is constantly evolving, driven by new technologies, emerging threats, and changing business needs. This presentation will explore the key trends and challenges that will shape the future of cloud security. Several key trends are transforming how we approach cloud security. One major trend is the increasing use of artificial intelligence and machine learning for threat detection and response, enabling more proactive and automated security measures. Another is the rise of zero-trust security models, which move away from traditional perimeter-based security. We're also seeing the growth of confidential computing, which protects data in use, and the adoption of cloud-native security, which integrates security into the development lifecycle. Alongside these trends, we face new challenges. The increasing complexity of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud environments makes security management more difficult. Supply chain vulnerabilities are a growing concern as attacks can target third-party providers. We also need to address the security implications of serverless computing and containerization, which introduce new attack surfaces. And, of course, the ongoing sophistication of cyber attacks, including AI-powered attacks, requires us to constantly adapt. Automation and AI are becoming essential tools in the fight against cloud security threats. Automation can help streamline security operations, security notions, reduce human error, and improve response times. AI and machine learning can analyze vast amounts of data to detect anomalies, predict attacks, and automate threat response. These technologies will be crucial for scaling security efforts and keeping pace with the evolving threat landscape. Security teams will leverage these to focus on the most critical issues. So, how can organizations prepare for the future of cloud security? A proactive approach is essential. This includes investing in continuous training and education for security teams, implementing robust security architectures, and staying up to date on the latest threats and technologies. Collaboration and information sharing between organizations and security providers are also critical. A strong security posture requires agility and adaptability. And with that, we are done with this mini course on cloud security. Fantastic job completing this series. We hope you found the information valuable. The future of cloud security will be defined by both innovation and persistent challenges. By embracing new technologies, addressing emerging threats, and fostering a culture of security, organizations can navigate this complex landscape successfully. Now that you have a foundational understanding, why not explore our other free courses on topics like cloud security, risk assessments, and GRC, also known as governance, risk, and compliance, to further enhance your expertise. For more valuable content, come visit our website, securetechacademy.com. Sign up for our newsletter and explore our premium courses on Udemy, designed with you in mind, using the latest technology to be more engaging at a lower price. And remember, when you sign up, you will receive all the study materials for this course completely free, including outlines, the full script, flashcards, and more. I want to make sure all this information really sticks, so don't wait on that. It's been a pleasure guiding you on your cybersecurity journey, and I can't wait to join you in the next course. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.